Obesity is one of the biggest problems that millions of people around the world face. People from all over the world struggle to lose weight, and no matter what they do, the pounds just don't seem to come off. Poor diet choices and a sedentary lifestyle are two of the biggest factors that have made obesity become an epidemic. Furthermore, the use of high fructose corn syrup in so many processed foods has exacerbated the situation. People are becoming fatter faster, and they want to shed the excess pounds now. They want fast results, even though weight loss is a slow process. Because of this desire for fast results, the 3-week diet has become extremely popular and has thousands of satisfied customers. The good news is that the 3-week diet actually works. Unlike diet pills and other methods which hardly give results, the 3-week diet system has positive testimonials on the official website from many pleased buyers. One reason why the system works so well is because it is the brainchild of a personal trainer, Flatt, who has a wealth of experience in this field. He created this system to put an end to all the weight loss misconceptions going around, and he also wanted to give people a system that was easy to follow, but which worked wonders. That system is the 3-week diet, which incorporates exercise with a sensible diet and a healthy dose of motivation. The diet is ketogenic in nature, and you'll need to eat fat so that it is easier to lose fat. It may seem counterintuitive, but it works and is backed by solid science. The most important thing here is to know what you're doing, and Brian shows you exactly what you need to do step by step. What you will love about the 3-week diet. This is an online bestseller and not a here today, gone tomorrow product. In fact, it has been around for a couple of years, so you know it works. Poor products never stand the test of time. Furthermore, there are so many testimonials from satisfied users that it's really hard to argue with the fact that this program delivers results. The 3-week diet makes a bold claim that you'll be able to lose 12 to 20 pounds of stubborn fat over a 3-week period. You are given a nutrition guide and a meal plan to help you achieve these results. This is not a difficult program to follow, and as long as you stick with it, you will see positive results. One of the main reasons people don't lose weight is because they don't do what matters. They do the wrong things, waste time and effort, and then wonder why they're not getting anywhere. Brian gives you the inside scoop on all the weight loss strategies and tips he picked up as a personal trainer. This is priceless info, and most people never discover the real secrets to fat loss. Thankfully, Brian shares it all in his guide, and this will greatly reduce your learning curve and get you faster results. You can download the 3-week diet almost instantly after your payment goes through. You can start the program today and start seeing results within 21 days. The 3-week diet has a full refund policy. If you do not lose weight or feel like the product didn't help you, you can always get your money back. That's great because this purchase is risk-free. To make things better, the refund policy is good for 60 days. What you need to know about the 3-week diet. Brian recommends that you buy a few extra supplements to accelerate your weight loss progress. While they're not crucial to your weight loss, these supplements will help. So you might need to spend a few more dollars on supplements, but it's totally up to you. The 3-week diet will still work without supplements. It all depends if you want an edge and want to lose as much weight as possible. The weight loss claims are a little too bold. While you can lose 12 pounds over 3 weeks, 20 pounds is a little unrealistic. You'll drastically need to cut your calories and work out for hours daily to lose 20 pounds in such a short time. And even then, it might not work. Not to mention that it's not healthy. So, curb your enthusiasm. 10 to 14 pounds is a good estimate, and even losing this much weight will have a dramatic effect on the way you look. And this is a goal that's definitely attainable. Why you need to get the 3-week diet today. If you're looking to lose weight fast, then yes, you should. This program is perfect if you want to have a beach body quickly, or you're attending some event and you need to lose a few excess pounds fast so that you look great. Unlike many other weight loss systems that place heavy emphasis on theory, the 3-week diet is focused on speed. It's like weight loss on steroids. If you want to lose weight fast and shed about 10 to 14 pounds quick, you absolutely must get this guide. It really works.